परम आदरणीय, परम श्रद्धेय, pride of the country, my Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, परम आदरणीय गृह मंत्री भारत सरकार श्री अमित शाह, most respected law minister Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, most respected finance minister Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, and chief ministers, in respected chief ministers of all the states of the country. I have already sent number of videos and petitions to you just to raise voice of the looted poor countrymen aggregating to 1 crore, more than 1 crore, by the Rajya Sabha member Mr. K.D. Singh, who had been Rajya Sabha member during 2010 to 2014 from Jharkhand Mukh Morcha, and 2014 to 2020 from Trinamool Congress. And I have been placed to understand through various media that to both the parties, Mr. K.D. Singh bribed and given very heavy bribe to all the leaders of both the parties, and at some time CBI inquiry was also lost, but due to corruption of K.D. Singh, the CBI inquiry could not take any shape. This K.D. Singh, to whom I call a dacoit of the highest order, never did any lawful business. His lawful business only was becoming Rajya Sabha member for 10 years. This was actually the license which he was holding for looting the country. In the short period during 2004 to 2018, he made almost 100 companies in the name of Alchemist, Alchemist Township, Alchemist Infra Realty, Alchemist Holding, and so many Alchemist companies, 100 companies. With the help of more than 100 directors, more than 100 chartered accountants, more than 100 top management employees, K.D. Singh, through collective investment schemes, persuaded lot of illiterate countrymen to invest in his company, and consequently, rather, he was successful in his illegal mission, and 1 crore people, somebody invested 5,000, somebody invested 5 lakhs, somebody invested 10 lakhs, invested heavily in his company with the hope that their money would be multiplied shortly, and everybody hopes to multiply his money. But nobody knew that the intention of K.D. Singh was absolutely unlawful, illegal, cheatful, forged since day one. And I'm very, very sorry to say that at least since 2011, the government of India had every knowledge of his illegal activities. Why I am saying so? That the SEBI, the Security Exchange Board of India, initiated very in-depth investigation against Alchemist companies and K.D. Singh, and they reached to a conclusion itself in 2011, and thereafter in 2013, 14, 15, by passing a detailed order of 50 pages, sometimes more, that K.D. Singh and his 100 directors and his companies are totally fraud, cheat, forgery, full, and have looted the country, is a very big criminal misappropriator of funds, public funds, and therefore is all the companies must be winded up, money must be refunded to the investors with interest, and criminal cases must be filed against KD Singh and all directors. This request was made not by me only, by whole-time director of SEBI, and more than 10 times to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, who is being handled by respected Nirmala Sitharaman ji right now, and before her, respected late Shri Arun Jaitley sir, and all top leaders of the country. I fail to understand that despite of receiving the orders of your own statutory body, that is the SEBI, in a detailed manner with evidence, why no action was taken against this, the biggest culprit, who have taken up the life of crores? Is this not the responsibility of the Finance Minister or the Minister of Corporate Affairs? And indirectly, is this not the responsibility of Law Minister and Home Minister? And of course, of our respected Prime Minister? I have no reason to satisfy myself. So it happened. Now, what he did, and what I have sent lot of petitions to you, that he siphoned, transferred this looted funds to his company, namely Alchemist Township. Right now also there are more than 10,000 is deposited in that, despite of passing order by the SEBI. Alchemist Infra Realty, 10,000 crores. Alchemist Holdings, 5,000 crores. ROC Food Limited, 5,000 crores. He has shifted around 500 crores to European countries and to the other countries, and have purchased their hotel or property. And one day, another Vijay Mallya or Nirav Modi will happen. And he will fly. His family is already at America. He is trying to move, and he will move. I have written so many petitions to all the ministries, but there is no one to listen voice of an ordinary man like me. My name, Ajay Tandon, Advocate, Supreme Court, National President, Imandar Bharati Party. I am honest to every breath of my life, and I have taken oath to fight for the poor and victims. But I am not getting any support of the central government or the state government, despite of sending more than 50 petitions to all the governments, 50 videos to all the governments. No help. Should I ask those 1 crore persons to die, to commit suicide? Or can I hope something from all of you? I now request your Honorable Sir to kindly pass an order to conduct a forensic audit of all his 100 companies, and I am 100% sure that the fraud of whatever I have said, 1 lakh crore would be unveiled. Evidence, the solid evidence would be there, as has been happened in the case of Amrapali Builder, where Honorable Supreme Court ordered for the forensic audit. It was conducted against 50 companies of Amrapali, and a big fraud, more than 50,000 crore with 50,000 people, was unveiled. All directors, management in the jail, all property has been seized, and at least some justice has been done. Similarly, I request, I pray, humbly pray to all your honors to kindly order for forensic audit of all companies, personal assets of all the directors, especially of KDC. Number two, kindly order your thanas of UP, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Maharashtra, where I had sent number of criminal complaints under 154, along with a judgment of Lalita Kumari versus State of UP 68/2008, dated 12/11/2013, wherein clear direction has been given to register FIR in cognizable offence. But despite of the fact that my very learned brother Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, who is the senior Supreme Court advocate, is on the chair of the law minister, but the countrymen are facing direct contempt of constitutional bench decision of Supreme Court. This is absolutely, at least I feel, it is shame on my part. So kindly pass orders to all the governments, to all the thanas, to all the IPS police commissioners and DGP, to circulate that if at all such type of complaint is there, it must be registered and the evaders, the financial evaders, must be arrested. Another thing is that all 100 companies are absolutely, in fact, has been a curtain to conceal fraud of individuals. The fraud has been committed by KD Singh and his gang, but under the garb of companies, he is hiding it. So my humble request is, there is a number of decisions of the Supreme Court that the corporate veil of all companies in the name of alchemist must be lifted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And these criminals who has eroded, who has disturbed law and order of the country, who have ruined the life of crores, must be addressed individually. They should not be given any shelter of the corporate status. Therefore, the corporate veil of these companies must be lifted at the earliest. All assets of the Alchemist Group and directors must be seized immediately. This is my request, humble request. And in SEBI, there is a deposit of around 500 crores on account of Alchemist Infra Realty or Alchemist Township. I humbly request to kindly direct the SEBI, their whole-time director, to invite those victims, those poor who are facing a lot of trouble, who have not been hurt so far, to kindly have evidence and pay their deposits along with 2% interest, compoundable in every 6 months, out of that 500 crore which is lying with the SEBI. This is my very humble request. Passport of KD Singh and all other directors may kindly ceased. If wife has gone, already gone, again her passport also and his two sons, Karandeep Singh and Kamandeep Singh, must be seized. All allegations against companies and their directors, officers, employees are well proved by the order of SEBI, especially dated 21/6/2013, which has been confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Although SEBI has passed about 6 orders against his companies, detailed orders, In all orders, they have clearly written they are totally fraud, cheat, force, ye wo. And every order has been sent to Ministry of Corporate Affairs and all the chief ministers. So, I am not saying anything by my own. Whatever I am saying, that is supported by judgments of SEBI. Suitable actions may kindly be taken against IPS officers, IAS officers who are responsible for lodging of FIR, taking action, but they have not taken. They are not taking. They are supporting the high-profile criminal like KD Singh. And moreover, in the statutes, namely IPC, banning of illegal collective investment collections in Act 2019, Gangster Act of UP, Money Laundering Act, Companies Act, SEBI Act, Income Tax Act. If we see the relevant provisions of those statutes, we will find that the KD Singh and his all 100 companies, all directors, chartered accountants, employees are entitled, rather liable for imprisonment for 50 years, अगर आप सबको जोड़ दीजिए, and the looted assets, unlooted assets of 1 lakh crore, these act authorize central government and state government to levy penalties up to, somewhere it has been said 3 times, 2 times, 4 times, in total, in aggregate, 10 times penalty of that assets can be levied. So my humble request is to kindly levy penalty, maximum penalty on that, ensure the maximum punishment, and auction those properties, repay money to the looted victims, investors, with interest at the rate of 2% per month, with compounding every 6 months, and the balance money kindly be deposited in the consolidated fund of Government of India. This is my humble and most humble submission to all of your honors, with the humble prayer to kindly listen my request, and with the hope that you will certainly take some action against my all submissions. Thank you very much. Jai Maa Bharati.